Well, welcome back to the next trekking adventure, and we're in Yellowstone National Park. We have some toys, and one of the things we've been super excited that's meeting us here at the park was the electric scooter.
Electric scooter Porto Max by Hovsco.
For those of you that don't know who we are Next Trekking Adventure. We are full-time RVers, and we work camp in Yellowstone National Park for the season. So one of the things that we had arranged to arrive and for us to give a test for the season was the Porto Max Electric Scooter by Hovsco. And we were super excited to give it a run for its money in the world's first national park, Yellowstone National Park. So here's some of the benefits. Tire size 12 inches, max speed 15 miles per hour, dual disc brakes. And as you can tell, it's getting a little nautical out here, all right? It's getting a little rainy. So, we're gonna unpack it, but we're gonna show you guys and test this bike out here in Yellowstone National Park. You're gonna wanna see how it performs in some of the roughest weather in North America.
We're gonna wait till the other 4 seasons, like spring or summer,
Yeah.
not rain.
Yeah, and by the way, there's 3 feet of snow. It's May and it's snowy. All right, well, you're gonna wanna follow our adventures here in Yellowstone and follow our adventures on our new scooter.
Hovsco scooter.
Okay, here we go. So what else are you excited about, Miss Terry?
We got delivered a Hovsco electric scooter.
Woo.
So it was here when we got here.
Yeah.
And so we are going to check it out.
Yeah, Hovsco makes electric bikes, e-bikes, and scooters, and they're a recognizable brand, and we're really happy to be representing them here in Yellowstone National Park. So they sent us a scooter, and it can't just be tough, it's gotta be Yellowstone tough. So, we're gonna show you guys the scooter. We're gonna unbox it and kind of show you some of the features, and we'll just talk as we go.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Come on back here. Wow. It's a folding, it folds. It's got a headlight, a basket, it's removable. Max speed is like 15 miles an hour. Cruise control, disc brakes, shocks. It's got a lot of benefits at a pretty good price point. So you ready to open this?
Let's do it.
Oh, I like how they packed it.
Whoop. You got your knife?
I do. So some assembly required, but that's to be expected, right?
Yep.
I know where this goes. I can do this real quick. I'll take the... All right.
Do you need the directions yet?
Yeah, we may need to read this. It didn't take us long. You know, we're very mechanical people. But So yeah, we got it assembled. There's instructions. It's pretty simple.
You should read the instructions in the beginning, though.
Yeah, I don't do that.
For that.
Crap. Is there supposed to be a leftover screw? What are all these leftover parts for?
You should have read the instructions.
I should have read the instructions. People, read the instructions. Super simple. We're going to give this thing a run for its money in Yellowstone.
Yep, let's do it.
And again, it can't just be tough. It's got to be Yellowstone tough. So, we're going to let a lot of people in the village here ride this, get their feedback. We're going to film it, and we're going to let everybody know how this thing rides and works. And then if you like it, and if we like it, there'll be a promo code in the description of our video that you can click on and go to their website and order yours.
Yay!
All right.
What?
Miss Terry, you ready to get on that bad boy right there? Let's go.
Come on, Terry, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Here's the instructions. This is on. This is gas. These are brakes.
Oh, no.
Right. Stay away from the truck! Not the truck! What do you think?
This is fun.
Yeah. So we gotta charge it. Well, we're gonna charge it.
Okay.
Well, it didn't take long, and then Miss Terry was a pro riding around on her electric scooter in the RV employee campground. This is the perfect thing to zip around a campground in, do some sightseeing, and Miss Terry just loved it. Woo!
Mark, what are you doing?
I never know what I'm doing, but I'm giving this thing a workout. You know what? I'm not a little guy. And it handles me just fine. You know, keep talking to you guys. I'm having fun! Well, the next day we took the Porto Max Electric Scooter by Hovsco down to the employee dorms and let some other people give it a ride and get their input. Oh yeah, kickstand. There you go. I think it's for like a campground or something like that.
Yep.
How did you feel stable on it?
Yeah, I haven't really ridden on a scooter too much though, like at
Yeah.
all in like 15 years.
Yeah. But electric scooter. The Hovsco Porto Max scooter has to offer. Has about a 35-mile range to it, and it depends on how fast you're going uphill, but 35 miles average, and it can go up to 19 miles per hour. For RVers, this is an important part. It weighs about 43 pounds, and that's all together with the batteries. But it's a lot lighter than my e-bikes, which are twice that weight. It comes with a charger that you simply plug in. It's easy to charge, easy to use. But it's got a mobile app, and today I want to install the app on my phone, and I want to pair the scooter with the app. So what you can see on the app is it found my device, and it's tracking my distance. It'll show me how far I've gone, how much battery, and the speeds. So the Hovsco scooter has 3 different power levels for all level of riding, low, medium, and high. The high, I'm a little bit bigger of a guy. I got up to 17 miles an hour, but don't tell anybody. So if you're uncomfortable with going at those speeds, no problem. Put it into medium or just throttle down. Easy, simple to use product. Okay, so we've been given this electric scooter a workout and taking it down, let some other people ride it, get some reviews. How'd you like riding that scooter, Miss Terry?
It's fun.
Yeah, so fun, easy to operate.
Very easy, yeah. Well, I haven't stood up yet.
Yeah, I stood up on it. We didn't get it on the video, but I've stood up on it. So would you recommend it to people?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the perfect thing for campgrounds, riding on some trails. Be careful where you ride them. Not all trails allow electric scooters.
Taking the garbage to the garbage dumpster.
Yeah, Miss Terry's running errands with it. So please see the description below. We're leaving a link there. If you are interested in one, you'll help us out a lot. But we'll see you
On our next scooter adventures.
Oh no.